1 decade ago, Will released Photoshop, a bold and effective tool that let you transcend physical reality. The concept of materializing objects in and out of a photo was beautiful, yet the method was so practical. For the last decade, we have worked in silence to polish and find the last shred of improvement to make it perfect. Enter Photoshop 2.0. There's magic you can see and ones you don't. We believe there's nothing you can show people that's crazier than what they would come up with in their head. Photoshop 2.0 keeps this principle while hitting back with a streamlined gimmick along with the original Photoshop gimmick. We've expanded the range of applications you can perform with Photoshop 2.0 and its photo extension pack. It can be the perfect opener or one-off effect to produce a souvenir. Simple, practical, and hits hard. If that's what you're looking for, Photoshop 2.0 is your new everyday carry. Get it now, worldwide.